the work done. Calculate the work done. R is equal to 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole. Now, we have to calculate the work done. Solution. The work is done isothermally and reversibly. Isothermally and reversibly. Therefore, the formula which you are going to use is W max minus 2.303. Mute it, please mute it. nRT log to base 10 V2 upon V1. W max, this is a formula for isothermal and reversible process. So N number of moles, 2 moles, R 8.314, temperature 300, volume V1 20, volume V2 30. So W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to base 10 V2 upon V1. Minus 2.303 N is 2, R is 8.314, T is 300 log 30 upon 20. Now first you have to find the value of the log. पहले इसकी value निकाल. First you have to find the value of this and then do the calculation. So 0 0 cut, 2 1s are 2 1.5. So minus 2.30 into log into 2 into 8.314 into 300 into log of 1.5. Minus 2.303 2 into 8.314 into 300 log of 1.5 is 0.1761. Log of 15, characteristic 0, and log of 15 is 1761. W max. Now you do the calculation. Log of 2.303, log of 2 plus log of 8.314 plus log of 300 plus log of 1761. अभी पहले log value लिए, अब उसके एंटी लॉग नहीं लेने का, बिकॉज वी वांट लॉग वैल्यू ऑफ 1.5. अब कैलकुलेशन में वापस लॉग लेना पड़ेगा. इन सबको ऐड करो बिकॉज सबके बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है. लॉग ऑफ 2.303 is how much? 3623. Log of 2, that means log of 20, 3010. Log of 83.14, log of that is 9198. इसका log of 300 character 62 हो गया and log of 30 is 4771. Then इसका characteristics bar 1 0.17 है ना, तो इसका characteristics bar 1 log of 17 in 6 in 1 देखना, log of 17 in 6 in 1 2457 2457. अब इसका ऐड करो बिकॉज सब प्लस है, log of 2.2303 सही है, 3650 यस, log of 300 वो भी सही, 8 and 3 11, 11 and 1 12, 12 and 7 19, 1 3 4, 4 and 9 13, 13 and 7 20, 25, 2 8 9, 9 and 7 16, 16 and 4 20, 5, 5 and 3 8, 8 and 9 23, 1 carry, 2 now you take anti-log of this 30 का 5 में anti-log देखो, 30 का 5 anti-log, if Mentisa is this part is called Mentisa, Mentisa का anti-log देखा जाता है 30.3059 2018 plus 4 222 2022 2022, it will be 2.02 into 10 raised to 2. This become power and इसका जो भी नंबर आएगा उसको वन डेसिमल, वन डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल लगा दो, इसका एंटी लॉग ले लो, 30 का 5 ने 20222 आया, 2 के बाद पॉइंट डालो, इधर 2 है तो इधर 10 raised to 2, दैट मींस हमें मिला 200.2 joules आंसर, we got answer 202 माइनस में आएगा because इधर माइनस ही है स्टार्टिंग से, so this is this. Okay. Sure. So this was नहीं, इधर 2 कैरी होता है, 5 और 3 8, 8 और 17, 17 और 21 23, this will be 3, this will be 3 and this will be 2022 joules. So this is the work done. किलो जूल्स में 1000 से डिवाइड करो, so this is how we do the work. आगे बढ़ते हैं और एक सम लेते हैं, Next sum we are taking question number 4. 22 gram of carbon dioxide at 300 Kelvin are compressed isothermally and reversibly till the pressure is double. Pressure is double. Calculate the work done. R is equal to 8.314 joule per cal per. Now you see, let us see कि कौन सा टाइप का वर्क है ये, isothermally and reverse. Work done isothermally and reverse. लेकिन इसमें वॉल्यूम नहीं दिया है, इसमें क्या दिया, प्रेशर का दिया है, तो प्रेशर वाला फॉर्मूला यूज कर, W max minus 2.303 nRT log to base 10 P1 upon P, because they are given about pressure. Volume रहता तो V2 upon V1. You are given the pressure is double. Let initial pressure be P1, final pressure is equal to P2 and P2 is equal to 2 times P1. Pressure is double. So final pressure P2 is 2 times P1, initial pressure. Temperature is given. R is given. What about N? You are not given N. Either और एक दिया जाएगा, C is equal to 12 and O is equal to 16. ये भी दिए. C is equal to 12 means atomic weight of carbon is 12 and atomic weight of oxygen is 16. Now what is given? You are given weight of carbon dioxide. How much? 22. So from the weight, you have to find out N. N is equal to weight of gas, carbon dioxide upon molecular weight of carbon dioxide. This is a formula to find out the number of moles. Weight upon molecular weight. Here the gas is carbon dioxide, so weight of carbon dioxide upon molecular weight of carbon dioxide. Now molecular weight of carbon dioxide is 12 plus 16 to the 32, so that comes to 44. So N here is equal to 22 upon 44, that is equal to 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. Now substitute in the formula. W max is equal to minus 2.303, N का जगह 0.5, R की जगह 8.314, T की जगह 300, log of P1. P1 is P1 and P2 is equal to 2P1. You have substituting it. वही ऊपर वाले फॉर्मूला में सब सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे. So what you will get now? W max 2.303, 0.5 into 8.314 into 300 into log of 1 by 2. Log of 1 by 2. पहले हमें log of 1 by 2 की वैल्यू निकाल. Now listen to me carefully. Whenever you get log का वैल्यू निकालना है and denominator is more than numerator, तो उसको उल्टा करो. That means log of 1 by 2 you can write as log of 2 by 1 by putting minus sign outside. Formula log of a upon b is equal to minus log of b upon a. माइनस. ये इजी पड़ता है. तो देखिए क्या होगा. माइनस 2.303 into 0.5 into 8.314 into 300 into minus log of 2 by 1. तो ये माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. एवरीथिंग इज प्लस नाउ. 2.303, 0.5, 8.314 into 300 into ये प्लस हो जाएगा. log of 2 is 3010. log of 2 means log of 20. 3010 characteristic 0. Now आप कैलकुलेशन करो. NT log of 2.303 plus log of 0.5 plus log of 8.314 8.314 plus log of 300 plus log of 0.3010. NT log of 23623 log of 0.5 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इसका बार 1 आएगा. log of 5 is log of 50 6990. log of 8.314 0 characteristics 9198. log of 300 characteristics 2 477. log of 30 का 0 में 4771. इसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बार 1 आएगा. log of 30 का 1 में 30 का 1 में आएगा 4786. 4786. Some log values I know it, that's why I'm writing it fast. अभी इसको ऐड करो बिकॉज सब प्लस है. 8 और 11, 11 और 1 12, 12 और 6 18, 1 10 12, 12 और 9 21, 21 और 7 28, 28 और 8 35, 28 और 8 36, 9 और 9 18, 18 और 1 19, 19 और 7 26, 26 और 7 33, 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 9, 21, 21 and 4, 25, 25 and 4, 29.
29.
This is 2 and 2, 4, and this is bar 2. 4 minus bar 2 is 2. 2 and 2, 4 and minus 2, because minus bar 1. अभी एंटीलॉग ले लो इसका 9386 का 9386 8672 and 12 8670 and 12 8682 8682 into 10 raised to 2 joules. So this will be 868.2 joules. So this is the work. Okay. So this is one type where n is not given, you are given weight. Weight है तो weight को ग्राम में convert करने का, and जब denominator more than numerator रहेगा तो कैसे उल्टा कर. आंसर हमको पॉजिटिव आया, बिकॉज देखो इधर काम कौन सा है, compress. Whenever the work done in compress, work is positive. When expansion, the work is negative. Compression रहेगा तो पॉजिटिव आना ही आंसर. Okay. Next. So, question number 5, fifth sum, is on the page number 88 of your textbook. Sum number 9. One mole of an ideal gas is compressed from 500 cm3 against constant external pressure of 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. The work in the process is (36 joules). Calculate final volume. It is compressed, so final volume that will be definitely less than the 500. वो 500 से कम आए, because जब हम compress करते हैं तो volume कम होता है. Okay. What is given? is compressed from your given V1, 500 cm. Against a constant pressure of 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Work is 36 joules. तो इधर फॉर्मूला कौन सा लगेगा? W max का फॉर्मूला लगेगा या P डेल्टा V का फॉर्मूला लगेगा? इट इज नॉट रिवर्सिबल. देखो वर्ड, सिर्फ रिवर्सिबल वर्ड को ढूंढो. रिवर्सिबल है तो W max, रिवर्सिबल नहीं है तो सिंपल फॉर्मूला दैट इज W इज इक्वल टू माइनस P डेल्टा V. ओके, अब हमें P मालूम है, W मालूम है, डेल्टा V मिलेगा. लेट्स सी, फिर आगे देखेंगे क्या करने का. W 36, P 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 into delta V. So delta V is equal to 36 divided by 1.2 into 10 raised to 5. Delta V is equal to minus 36 upon 12 into 10 raised to 4. into 10 raised to 4. ये पॉइंट निकाल दिया तो 12 ones are 12 threes are. So minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 4 delta V. अब इसका यूनिट क्या रहेगा? इसका डेल्टा V का यूनिट क्या रहेगा? देखो, जब प्रेशर पास्कल में होता है और वर्क जूल्स में होता है तो डेल्टा V का यूनिट मीटर क्यूब में होता है. I gave you last time. When pressure is in Pascal, work is in joules, then delta will be in the meter cube. So ये meter cube में. मीटर क्यूब में तो इसको डीएम क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 10 raised to 3. ये डीएम क्यूब में होगा. मीटर क्यूब को डीएम क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 raised to 3. So this will be minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 dm cube. Minus 1 dm cube. अगर आपको इनिशियल वॉल्यूम cm क्यूब में दिया है तो हमको इसको cm क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. dm क्यूब को cm क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 raised to 3. So minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to 3 cm cube. So minus 3 into 10 raised to 2 is into cm. Delta V का मतलब V2 minus V1. V2, what is V1? 500. ये कितना हो गया? Minus 300. So V2 is equal to minus 300 plus 500. So that comes to 200 cm. So V2 is cm 200 cm. So final volume is equal to 200 cm. Okay, so this was question number 5. तो हमने 5 सम किए. और 2 सम करेंगे, because there are 3 types of work at constant pressure, reversible, and तीसरा enduring chemical reaction. So now I'm taking one sum. Oh, question number sum number 6, page number 89, sum number 20, sum number 23 of your text. Calculate the work done and comment on whether work is done on or by the system. For the decomposition of of 2 moles of ammonium nitrate at 100 degrees Celsius. Reaction भी दिया है, ammonium nitrate bracket में solid, N2O gas, and water also gas. Okay. अब ये कौन सा वर्क है? This is the work done during chemical reaction. आपको रिएक्शन दिया है, यानी ये रिएक्शन जब होता है तो कितना वर्क हो गया, and you also have to comment whether the work is done by the gas or by the system or by on the system. Work is done on the system or work is done by the gas system. So work done in chemical reaction, formula for work done during chemical reaction is W is equal to minus delta nRT. W is equal to minus delta nRT. Delta N is what? Number of moles of gaseous product. Gaseous product minus number of moles of gaseous reactant. In the case of this, in this present case, the products both are gas. Nitrous oxide is 1 mole and water is 2 mole. दोनों gas. तो हमारे लिए ये 2 है. लेकिन reactant solid है, हमको gas चाहिए, तो हम नहीं लेंगे, 0 लें. So delta N will be equal to 2. If it is solid or liquid, will not take it, will take only the gaseous. So product are 1 plus 2, 3 है. Again I made a mistake. 3 है. So it is 3, delta N is 3. Now let us start the work. R कितना है? R is 8.314 joules. It will be provided to you, and temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. So that is equal to 100 plus 273. That is equal to 373 Kelvin. So W is equal to minus 3 R 8.314 into 373. लॉग से कर सकते एंटी लॉग log of 3 plus log of 370. Minus anti-log minus anti-log of, सबको ऐड करूंगा 4771, इसका 09198 and log of 373 5717 characteristics 717 सबको ऐड करो 8 and 8 16, 1 carry, 10 and 18, 1 carry, 7 and 7 14 and 1 15 and 16, 1 carry, 5 and 9 14 and 5 and 4 1 carry, so that is 3. 9686 anti-log minus ही आएगा because minus ही carry on 9686 9270 plus 13 9283 9283 into 10 raised to 3 joules because R is equal to 8.31. So this is minus 9.283 into 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilojoules. अगर kilojoules में चाहिए it is minus So this will be minus 9.2 as W is negative, work is done by the system. Is done by the system. If the W is positive, work is done on the system. तो ये है work done during chemical process. Okay. ओ मैच नहीं हो बता सकते क्या है हमारा आंसर एग्जैक्टली हाफ है मैंने क्वेश्चन को बराबर पढ़ा नहीं is asking what is the work done by on or by the system for decomposition of 2 moles of ammonium nitrate. कितना मोल 2 moles. और हमारे पास सिर्फ 1 mole है so we have to convert into 2 moles. So work done for 2 moles will be equal to 2.9281 multiplied by 83 no? Multiplied by 2. So that will be 6. 8 to the 16. 2 to the 4 and 1 5 and 18.5 minus this one. This is 18.566 kilo. Minus 18.566 kilojoules. Now, this was the sums. 6 sums के sufficient हो गए. Now I'll proceed further. Theory part. First, we'll see what is internal energy.
Previous slide.
Internal energy. Every system contains some definite amount of energy stored in it. Is called internal energy. Every substance or every system contains certain amount of energy stored in it. A definite amount of energy stored in it. And that energy is called as internal energy. Internal energy is denoted by U. We cannot find absolute value of internal energy. But we can find change in internal energy. Now, what is change in internal energy? Delta U. And delta U is equal to U2 minus. U2 is final energy. U1 is initial energy. Delta U is a change in internal energy. We can find delta U, but we cannot find out U1 and U2. इसको बोलते हैं absolute value. You cannot tell me, or I cannot tell you how much energy you have got, or how much energy you possess. But I can only tell whether your energy is increased or decreased. If you look tired, we'll say it is energy has decreased. If you look fresh, energy is increased. So delta U can be positive or delta U can be negative. उसके वैल्यू से हम बोल सकते whether energy has increased or decreased. U1 and U2, U1 is a initial internal energy. U2 is a final internal energy. U is a state function. That means it depends upon internal energy is a state function. Delta U is a state function. That means it depends upon the initial state and the final state. It doesn't depend upon the path. And U is extensive property. Extensive property means the property which depends upon amount of matter present in the system. More the matter, more the internal energy. So internal energy is a state function, internal energy is an extensive property. Now question is, every system, every substance contains some energy stored in it, and that is called internal energy. Where and how this energy is stored? Where and how this energy is stored? Internal energy is stored in a system in the form of potential energy and kinetic energy. So total internal energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So total kinetic internal energy or delta UT total is equal to delta U kinetic plus delta U potential. Okay. Now, what is kinetic? Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a system due to motion. So chemical में atoms and molecules are in the motion. They are doing various type of motion: translational motion, rotational motion, vibrational motion. So there are different types of motion performed by the atoms and the molecules in the system. I'm talking only with respect to chemistry. So the molecules in the system or the atom in the system, they are constantly moving. And because of that motion, they possess a kinetic energy. Because of the motion they possess a energy, and that is called as a kinetic energy. So chemistry में kinetic energy कहाँ रहता है? Body move, particles are moving, and because of the motion, they have kinetic energy. In chemistry, the particles are bounded to each other. There is a bond between the atom. There is a bond between the molecules. This bond is nothing but a potential. This bond is nothing but a potential. So delta U kinetic, it is due to different motion of the particles in the system. And delta U potential, it is due to bonding between the atom, between the molecules, or within the molecule, or and within the molecule. Molecules को molecule के बीच में bond होता है, that is called intermolecular, and molecule के अंदर भी bond होता है. This is nothing but potential. So kinetic energy can increase. Kinetic energy can increase. How will you know it is increased? If delta U positive, increase. If delta U negative, decrease. Okay? So ये है internal energy. Now let us see the first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. This first law of thermodynamics is not new to you, you have already studied, but in other way. Law of conservation of energy is nothing but the first law of thermodynamics. Is nothing but law of conservation of energy. It is simply law of conservation of energy. It is stated in different way. Energy of the universe remain constant. Energy of the universe remain constant. Energy is neither created nor destroyed, but can be converted from one form to another form. Can neither be neither created nor destroyed. And can be converted from one form to another form. Then next, total energy of isolated system remain constant. Total energy of an isolated system remain constant. So these are three ways in which the law can be stated. सब स्टेटमेंट वही है वो क्या कहता है कोई भी स्टेटमेंट देखो एनर्जी किसी भी सिस्टम की कांस्टेंट रहेगी अगर बदलती है इसका मतलब इट हैज चेंज इट्स स्टेट A universe is system plus surrounding. Total energy of the universe remain constant. अगर सिस्टम की एनर्जी कम हो गई इसका मतलब सराउंडिंग की एनर्जी बढ़ गई and vice versa. Energy is neither created nor destroyed. Therefore, energy of the system is always constant. Only it changes its state form. Energy is in various form. Kinetic energy, potential energy. अगर kinetic energy कम हो गई इसका मतलब potential energy बढ़ गई and vice versa. But total energy will always remain constant. Okay. Now we'll see formula for the first law of thermodynamics. Equation for first law of thermodynamics. A system exchange energy with its surrounding. Either by transfer of either by transfer of heat or by doing work. A system exchange energy with its surrounding either by transfer of heat or by doing work. In a system, system and surrounding, heat can be transferred from system to surrounding. Heat is Q, or surrounding can give heat to system. जब system give heat to surrounding, energy of the system decreases, energy of the surrounding increases. Surrounding give heat to system, energy of the surrounding decreases, energy of the system increases. I'm teaching to you. I'm teaching chemistry. I'm teaching thermodynamics to a group of students. What I'm saying is not true, but according to thermodynamics, I'm giving knowledge to you. My knowledge is decreasing and your knowledge is increasing. I'm doing work on you. I'm working on you. I'm reading, I'm explaining, I'm doing work on the surrounding. Therefore, surrounding gains the energy and I lose the energy. So when a system does the work, its energy decreases, surrounding energy increases. If the surrounding does the work, surrounding energy decreases, system energy work increases. So system की energy, always there is exchange of energy between the surrounding and the system. आपस में लेना देना होता है और वो लेना देना एनर्जी कैसा होता है? By transfer of heat or by the work. Suppose Q quantity of heat is supplied to the system. हमने सिस्टम ने को Q quantity of heat supply किया, कौन करता है? Surrounding. And work done by the system, and W is the work done on the system. अब सिस्टम को हीट भी मिल रही है और सिस्टम पर काम भी हो रहा है, सिस्टम को दोनों तरफ से एनर्जी मिलती है, तो इंटरनल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम इंक्रीजेस, thus internal energy of the system increases. Internal energy is equal to heat supplied plus work done. So delta U is equal to Q plus W. And this is the first law equation or equation for the first law of thermodynamics. Delta U is equal to Q plus W. What is delta U? Internal energy change. Q, heat supplied, work done, W. Okay. So, first law of thermodynamics. Now we'll see equation of first law of thermodynamics. This is general equation. हमने 4 टाइप के प्रोसेस देखे हैं. कौन से? आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस, एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस, आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस, आइसोबारिक प्रोसेस. तो ये 4 प्रोसेस में थर्मोडायनेमिक फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक चेंज होता है. तो व्हाट आर द इक्वेशन फॉर वेरियस प्रोसेस? Equation of for first law of thermodynamics. In various processes. पहला प्रोसेस आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस. टाइप का रिवीजन भी हो जाए. What is isothermal process? The process in which the temperature of the system remains constant. The process in which temperature of the system remain constant. Temperature, a process in which the temperature remain constant. यानी प्रोसेस हो रहा है, सिस्टम एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, लेकिन उसका टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है. So T1 is equal to T2. Therefore, delta T is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 0. If T1 is equal to T2, U1 is equal to U2. There. Why? Because U is directly proportional to T. Energy depends upon temperature. So delta U is equal to U2 minus U1. That is equal to 0. So delta U is 0. Therefore, first law, equation of first law of thermodynamics बदल जाएगा. क्या है वो इक्वेशन? डेल्टा U इज इक्वल टू Q प्लस W. अभी आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस में ये 0 है and Q प्लस W. Therefore, Q is equal to minus W. So this is the equation for first law of thermodynamics. In which process? In isothermal process. This is general. General क्या है? Delta U is equal to Q plus W. लेकिन वो equation बदल गया, change हो जाता है isothermal process. Let's see in adiabatic process. What is adiabatic process? The process in which there is no exchange of heat between the system and surrounding. There is no exchange of heat. Heat means form of energy between system and surrounding. Surrounding a system के बीच में there is no exchange of energy. Therefore, Q is equal to 0. Q means heat. Right? Q is equal to 0. From first law of thermodynamics, from equation of first law, of thermodynamics, delta U is equal to Q plus W. Delta U is equal to 0 plus W. So delta U is equal to W. इसका मतलब, if any work done in this system is at the expense of internal energy, अगर ये प्रोसेस में अगर कोई काम होता है, it is due to internal energy. अब if W is negative, delta U will be negative. If W is positive, delta U will be positive. So this is adiabatic process. Next. Isochoric process.
सर 7:30 का लेक्चर है.
हाँ मालूम है, होगा, मुझे मालूम है. आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस. अभी मेरे पास आइसोकोरिक और आइसोबारिक की दोनों को कंप्लीट करके दौरान मैं छोड़ नहीं सकता. The process which is carried out at constant volume. यानी प्रोसेस में वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट रहता है. वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट रहता है means V1 is equal to V2. Therefore delta V is equal to 0. Therefore W minus P into delta V minus P into 0 is equal to 0. Work done is 0. वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट रहता है means final volume is equal to initial volume. Delta V, V2 minus V1 is 0. Therefore W by minus P delta V P into 0 is 0. Work done. Therefore, first equation of first law of thermodynamics. क्या हो equation? Delta U is equal to Q plus W. W 0 है. Therefore delta U is equal to Q plus 0. Therefore delta U is equal to Q. In this process, when the heat is supplied, the internal energy will increase. If the heat is removed, the internal energy will decrease. Last, isobaric process. Isobaric process. The process in which pressure remains constant. Pressure remains constant. If pressure remains constant, if P is constant, V1 is not equal to V2. That means delta V is not equal to 0. प्रेशर कांस्टेंट है तो वॉल्यूम चेंज होगा. Therefore, W is equal to minus P delta. Equation of first law of thermodynamics. Delta U is equal to Q plus W. W की जगह क्या डालूंगा? W की जगह क्या डालूंगा? माइनस P डेल्टा. तो Q is equal to delta U plus P delta. This is the equation for isobaric process. तो देखो सब इक्वेशन बदल गए. वो फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स का इक्वेशन बदल गया. आइसोबारिक के लिए Q is equal to Q W delta U plus P delta V. आइसोपोरिक के लिए डेल्टा U is equal to Q.
सर
हाँ बोलो.
सर 7:30 बज गया.
हो गया. डेल्टा U is equal to W and Q is equal to minus P and here.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.